Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon in the TEFS trading room. I hope you are doing great and ready for Wednesday trading. And finally, a day where I just see the SPY, Triple Q, and even the Dow Jones in green in pre-market. So it seems like that this several days of a pullback seems to end, but as you know, the situation is still very fragile and anything can happen. So let's just be careful with this pullback. Yes, Nitsan. Hi, Tara. Good morning, good afternoon to you all. Yes, seems like that, there is a little boom, especially, by the way, on the crypto. And inside the crypto, everything is pushing higher, but the Bitcoin is the most, followed by Ethereum. XRP is pushing higher too, as I see 4.65% on the Bitcoin over the 71,000 level. So I think the Bitcoin related stocks should be on our watch list for sure, traders, and definitely to the long side. So this is what we have today. For the start, at least, I'm just checking the calendar quickly whether we will see any economic news for today. As far as I remember, Friday is going to be the best day for that. But today, Wednesday, 4th of March, ADP non-farm employment change already released, which is much better than expected. This is helping to push the SPY higher and the triple Q, in my opinion. And we will see final services PMI at 9:45 and 10 o'clock ISM services PMI as well. And today is beige book day, guys. So let's just be careful. Let's see whether the volume is not going to dry up a little bit, especially after the first hour of trading. Hi, Mr. Brackage. Nice to see you. And let's just get to the news. So let's see why the market is suddenly seeing, just watching, as I see, it's a very, very nice reversal, by the way. Even yesterday was not that bad either. I was still waiting for this touch of the 200 EMA with the triple Q, but it has not happened. Even it could not break actually the $600 level just slightly, as you can see. So 600 is still holding really, really strongly the whole market indeed. I just get to the 5 minutes chart because you can see it better how the pre-market looks like. Yes, Nitsan, how about VG and BATL? I cannot trade BATL, but VG, yes. And VG definitely looks like as a pump and dump stock. We can watch it on the secondary list. I'm going to watch it for sure. Nitsan looks great. Z and D, can I, Steve Davis, okay. This one, yeah, beautiful pump and dumper. We can watch all of them. I mean, at least there's both of them, as I can trade VG and the uh, other one, the ZD. So I'm just going to get it to the secondary list. This is going to be ZD and VG as well. Okay, guys, now let's see what else in the news. Iron War live updates. Besson says oil trade in the Gulf will get US support. That's why oil is going down, and the market just got a relief rally in the pre-market at least. Let's see whether it's going to last at all. But so far, if I'm just checking the futures, triple Q is the strongest, and the crude oil just pulled back to the 74. Now it's under the $74 level. Gold is still around this 5,200. Silver back to this 85.50 area. Both of them are moving higher. But so far, really violent moves we just see on this market trader. So let's be careful, even not to fail in this trap. Whether it's going to be a trap or a real reversal, we don't know yet. Actually, as I've told you, everything is extremely fragile out there. There are still some news here that whether oil is going to hit 100 or not. Oil could hit $100 if volumes from this key passageway don't ramp soon, says Goldman Sachs. I guess is the Strait of Hormuz, what the Goldman Sachs strategist is thinking of. What else in here? Moderna stock is rallying as deal over a patent dispute clears vaccine pipeline. That's good news for Moderna. We can watch it to the long side. What else in here? Sell-off descends into a rout in South Korea with biggest one-day drop since 2008. Yeah, because actually traders, to tell the truth, this Strait of Hormuz blockade, it's mostly it's impacting the South Asian countries, like the Asian countries especially, and I think that's why the Kospi is very sensitive on the news. So it's just down 12%, unbelievable. ADP numbers, as I just mentioned you, we got some great ADP numbers here. Hi Anne, good morning to you. Nice to see you. I like you're always sunny and smiley. Great start for the great vibes to start the trading day always. However, here in the sunny Spain, I have not seen the sun today, unfortunately, but never mind, tomorrow is going to be back for sure, or in some hours, as I know the weather here is just fantastic. Yes, we have to write. We definitely, this is what it worth. Okay, guys. Now let's see the ADP numbers. As I've told you, I just repeating for the ones who just missed this number. It was 63,000. ADP says U.S. businesses added 63,000 jobs in February, but labor market remained sluggish. And as I've told you, this week is for the labor market news and data, especially tomorrow with the unemployment claims and so on. And on Friday, a bunch of big news, unemployment rate, non-farm employment change, and so on. And next week, by the way, is going to be next week. Yes, next week is going to be for the CPI, PPI, inflation numbers, GDP, and so on. So we are not going to be bored. Well, unfortunately, because of this geopolitical tensions, definitely we are not bored nowadays in trading. BNAI, you have such a great candidates always, but I cannot trade it. I know this is a big mover, but you know it can move both of the direction. So let's just be careful with these lower price stocks indeed. Okay, guys, what else in here? Adidas share slump on weak profit guidance as tariffs and exchange rates bite. Ouch, that's not a good news for sure. But so far, as I see, the pre-market is it's holding really nicely to the green side indeed. 3.5 million float, that's not bad. Yeah, definitely it's worth to watch. I completely agree with you indeed. Okay, guys, so Europe, I just checked all over the world. Stock exchanges, not just the crypto, which just seen a huge jump, 71,000 already on the Bitcoin. Europe, nice in green. Asia, though, as I've told you, big red as they got impacted the most of this oil disruption indeed. If I'm just checking the rate side, the US 10 years treasuries are still okay, like not a big jump there, and the DXY index is still strengthened. The dollar strengthened a little bit, but not too much indeed. GTLB, Tara, I'm just checking GitLab, right? Yes, let me just check. Oh my God, that looks like as a perfect candidate for the short side. It's under $24 now. Yes, let me just check the daily here a little bit more. When we have seen it on a down under this 20, I don't know, actually at 10 years, I can't go back even more. So very low price already. Is just dumping since $50, as you can see. And I guess there were some quite ugly news. There was some quite ugly news in GitLab, and I get it. What's the news? Actually, the fiscal 2027 guidance came out lower than expected on GitLab. That's why it's just pushing lower. However, as I see the numbers were quite, let's call it like mixed, but unfortunately, as I've told you, the guidance, it matters a lot nowadays on the earnings side. So GTLB definitely can go to a short list. I like that. Nitsan, I don't love only MSTR. I actually love all of the Bitcoin related stocks, but you are right. Some of them sometimes moving a little bit better. Now let's just check if we were just talking about the Bitcoin, and let's just check Bitcoin first actually. How does it look like in the pre-market? Oh my goodness, beautiful, 71,000. But and it's a big but with capital B. Actually, as you can see, we still have some quite stronger resistance in the way, and this is still the 72 and a half thousand on the Bitcoin, and next 75. So I think it's still not out of the woods. However, it looks very promising. Just telling you to be careful though with this Bitcoin stocks. But I agree that MSTR, it's over 142. I like it, yeah, because it's over this consolidation. And the next very strong resistance is going to be the 150. Yes, Nitsan, I agree. MSTR looks really, really good to the long side. Let me just check the coin and BMNR as well. What we need to check, coin is the same. 195, beautiful. 200, 202 is the next one. I like coin as well, to tell the truth, but I guess I'm going to tell the same for BMNR, especially as we know that this is very extended over 21. No, actually no, this is the stock which I'm not sure, because this is just in a enormous bear flag, but it's still inside this consolidation range. So that's why I would say that this is going to be the last in the trade. I mean, for trading on of the Bitcoin related stock indeed. So MSTR and coin definitely can go there. Hi Luis, ¿cómo estás? CRWV, yeah, mRNA. I mentioned already that it got big news and beautiful move on the mRNA. Actually, is down at the moment. Why it's down? I thought it went up. I just misunderstood the news, maybe. Now let me just check, guys. Moderna stock rose. Something is not good with my data. mRNA, it's minus 11%. No, that's something is not good. Wait, guys, I think I just need to restart because my PC sometimes doesn't like my platform and I don't know why. Maybe firewall, something like that. Okay, now it's okay. I think it's just disconnected. All right, so now mRNA, I see it better. That looks like as a great continuation higher. Anyway, as you know, the stock price is depressed for a while and there is a lot to go higher. I really, really like it. Hey, Sharko, nice to see you. Buy out there, buying another company. Yes, actually, I'm just reading the news regarding Moderna that it's 11% higher after they said they agreed pay up to 2.25 billion to settle with Biopharma Corporation and Genovan Sciences GmbH a lawsuit over COVID vaccine patent dispute. So this is a really, really nice move to the upside. I'm going to call it to the long side definitely, but you know, sometimes I just burning myself with this mRNA, so I'm going to be careful with this one. Rostors, it is here as well. It's up ROST 7%, another retailer on the earnings deck, and not bad at all. For me, it's a bit extended though, and let me just check the volume. So let's just give a chance to the long side, but I'm going to be careful with this ROST. CRWV, Luis, you just mentioned this stock as well. CRWV, I guess it's moving higher. Oh, beautiful reversal. I love it. Also, we should watch this $80 level, but looks quite good. It seems like BMNR follows Ethereum and Tom Lee. Yes, Mr. Brackage, but to tell the truth, compared to the other Bitcoin related stocks, BMNR it's not my ultimate favorite, but we know exactly this little stock can just cause some pleasant surprises sometimes with some big moves. I'm going to keep an eye on that stock as well, especially because of the Bitcoin still looks like it's just unstoppable for today, at least so far. Okay, guys, we still have some new stocks here like CRWD, earnings, which is up at the moment some, not that much though, as you can see, not a huge move. And the reason for that, a firm issued a strong forward guidance for the first quarter, expects to notch earnings of 106, 107, 136. Yeah, the revenue, it was 106 on the expectation for the full year. Croza expects to bring 4.78 and 490. but some item versus consensus of 480. Okay, I'm not very happy about this move in the pre-market regarding this stock. I don't know. Let's just check it. To tell the truth, this is a big mover though. To tell the truth, this is a really, really, really nice mover. But unfortunately, at the moment, as you can see, it's just giving up quite of a lot in the pre-market after this move. So I'm just going to move it to the secondary list. We should watch it because it's a new stock, but not impressed by the pre-market move at the moment. So I'm going to be careful with this stock indeed. Crypto stocks, of course, is the next one which we were talking about already. I know some of you like Mara, Riot as well. We can just check them too as the Bitcoin related stocks. Mara at the moment, it's very nicely pushing higher over this 920 level. However, the real and great reversal is going to happen on this stock, I think, over $10, but we can watch it, I think, on the secondary list on the Mara. Okay, ANF is here as well, down more than 2% as the fourth quarter, or now it's 477, as it just posted the earnings and it was not that good. Even the firm also projected lower than expected revenue growth. So ANF doesn't look that good. Not my favorite. This stock is sometimes. Actually, it's down $95 into this, still in this consolidation, as you can see. Not my favorite, but let's just give a chance for ANF on the short side. MSTR coin, ANF, CRWD. Good evening, Buzak. Exactly, I was just talking about CRWD and ANF now. MSTR coin already on my long list. I'm just wondering whether at all the Bitcoin can continue over 72,000, because between the 72 and 72.5, I see a quite of a stronger resistance for the Bitcoin, and it's just did a huge move already in the day. So let's see whether it still can last and continue higher, not just Bitcoin, but the overall triple Q and SPY as well, because we just seen a beautiful pullback everywhere. Next one here, it's Box as well, as it's up 8%, beat fourth quarter earnings on the Box. Well done. Let's see how does it look like. Pre-market volume is not not the best. This can be sometimes a big mover, but it's not very impressive for me. I'm just going to put it to the secondary list. And traders, let's see what else is making a reversal thanks to the market sentiment. Why? Well, Hood 6%. And don't forget, Hood has some, not like directly, you know, together with the Bitcoin move, but we know exactly that this has an impact. I mean, Bitcoin has an impact on the Hood as well. It's over $80 level, which looks really good for a continuation. However, we should be careful on the $81 level, because this is the 20 EMA. But I think this little gap, which I've just seen now on the daily, which just happened between the 10th of February and the 11th of February, and the gap fill is going to happen around $85 level, might is going to be a much stronger impact of this stock. So I really, really like it for a possible great reversal on the daily and continuation after the market opens to the higher. So Hood can go to our long list. MU, what a surprise! MU is making a big comeback, 3.20% higher. Tesla 2% higher as well. And I love Tesla because of the fact that it has touched yesterday and even the day before and some days before the 200 EMA. And this $400 level, it's over the $400 level. I love Tesla to the long side traders, especially because of the daily chart. As you can see, very nice touch on the 200 EMA. Yesterday it was a mini hammer, let's call it like that, and now it's just pushing over the $400 level. I really, really like this formation. Can be a double the bottom, a nice 200 EMA reversal, whatever. Okay, SoundHound is here. AMD 1.62% higher. That looks the same as Tesla. PLTR trying to make a reversal too, but here there are lots of stronger resistances. Be careful with the PLTR though. SMCI on wondering whether it can push over this $32 level. Let's see. AMD still looks good. NVIDIA is up 1.20% as well, but inside I still don't like it too much. AFRM trying to reverse. Unity, it's in green, and it's very extended to the downside. CRM, which is up like 0.70% as well. The rest, Amazon, Meta, Google, green, but not extremely green, and still not out of the woods, like not out of this consolidation area. SPY is up, by the way, 0.37% at the moment, triple Q 0.56%, looking like the continuation. And the weakest is XOM. Of course, as I've told you, the oil is pulling back. WMT, Netflix is in red, and Apple, surprisingly, Apple in a small red as well. Hi, Zuki, nice to see you. BITUA8, yeah, these are the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, right? So yeah, actually we can trade Bitcoin and Ethereum like that. Thank you very much to raise these two ETFs, ETHU for the Ethereum and this BITU for the Bitcoin. CRW is on our watch list already. Luis, yes, PLTR, I see what you mean, but on the daily, look at that 150 level. First of all, it's a very strong level. Second, the 200 EMA is very close to this level as well, so I'm going to be careful with this PLTR indeed. Which one, Amir? VCIG, thank you. VCIG, I can't trade this stock, unfortunately. Hopefully, it's going to be a nice mover to you. SOLV as well, Mr. Brackage, checking. SOLV, Solventum Corporation common stock, which is, oof, that's quite of a nasty drop to the downside. Looks like as a second day continuation. I agree with you. I would see a little bit better volume, but let's see. Let's see. SOLV, not bad. We do not have too many short candidates, so I'm just going to put it there. Coin, what you think? Jose, let's see. As I've told you, coin continuation is going to depend on the Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin at the moment, I see a very nice continuation possibility, but 72 and 72.5 can be a quite of a stronger resistance, so depends how it's going to handle these levels. On the coin though, if we just check the daily chart, there was some days of consolidation here around this 180 level. Now it's on the 195 level actually, and looks like as a great continuation towards to this 50 EMA. But again, coin can be very much Bitcoin sensitive, and if we just check again the Bitcoin, especially on the daily chart, really huge pullback on the Bitcoin today. You can see that this is just heading into this 72,000 area, and this can be a little bit like a stronger resistance here on the between 72 and 72 and a half indeed. So let's see if it's going to break it, because this is not a very huge resistance, to tell the truth. The bigger resistance is coming on 74,000. I can imagine this to touch if it break the high and continue higher than coin, MSTR, and all of them can be a great trade. And don't forget even Hood, again traders, because Hood can be a great continuation as well. All right, I do not have too many short candidates to admit. Let me just check my favorite gainers and losers list in the TEFS platform. Not too much at the moment, as I see. Okay. All right, now maybe winners and losers list. I'm just waiting for the data. But listen, traders, if the sentiment is going to hold and we are going to get higher, then I'm not going to, push shorts too much. Maybe XOM, I'm going to check for more reversal because of the fact that the oil is pulling back now. But anyway, if the market sentiment remains bullish, I'm going to get to the longs for sure. Now let's see which ones are our favorite candidates for today. I just sent you the list. If you still have anything, please just let us know. So MSTR coin, it's a must to have and check it for today. MSTR coin just going to go next to each other. I mentioned you AMD. I do prefer AMD over PLTR at the moment, traders. Tesla, as I mentioned, I really like Tesla because of the 200 EMA. Hood as well. There is no doubt I want to check Hood. CRWV as well. It's a beautiful reversal on the dailies. Core wave. Okay, coin mRNA. mRNA, yeah, I'm going to watch mRNA, but again, sometimes it just tricks me. This is a tricky stock. This is a tricky stock indeed. Who would I have? Tesla. ROST, I do not know that stock too much to tell the truth, but I give a chance. This is a retail stock. To the short side, GTLB ANF, I would say. GTLB ANF, I'm going to watch, and XOM as well. ANF. Of course, NVIDIA I'm watching, MU I'm watching, and even this ZD and VG looking quite interesting from the secondary list. AVGO I want to watch as well. Traders yesterday just tricked me a little bit, but AVGO looks like as another like AMD and Tesla 200 EMA reversal. So I like the AVGO as well to the long side. I forgot to put it there, but I'm going to watch it on one of my chart as well. Okay, traders. So today again, for the ones who just joined, first of all, welcome. Second, seems like that these geopolitical tensions are still fragile, but the market definitely is trying to make a reversal today, thanks to some assuring. Let's call it like message from Trump that he's going to be okay. I mean, he's going to handle this situation with the oil and the Gulf there, so they will get some support, US support, which is kind of relieving news, I would say. However, you know exactly as the situation is very fragile, it just can change in 1 second actually. So I'm going to be careful. Keeping an eye, me too, Tara, but I just do not like this stock for today. I don't know why. Maybe the too many like technical levels there. I'm just checking the daily and still I see some levels which can be problematic. But you are right, we should watch it because this is though a big mover. Hi Alfred, nice to see you. Good morning. SSRM, I'm just checking SSRM. SSRM. Okay. Oh, that looks nice. That looks nice. This is a lower price stock, Luis, but looks like as a great mover. Yeah, I agree that we can watch this SSRM 2834. Phew, that can be a crazy mover though. Let's be careful, but looks like as a nice momentum stock, like if it, starting really strong, then this can be a continuation. I agree, we should some lower price stocks here as well. Okay, guys, we still have like 50 seconds to go. No, no, unfortunately, I did not get a good response from the risk manager. So no, BATL is not open, unfortunately. I know, because Nitsan already called it, but I can't read it. Jeremy, good morning to you. But I'm okay. We have so many great candidates today. I'm sure I'm going to find at least this 2, 3, 4, which I'm going to make like a big winner. This week so far, very nice and green. I hope the continuation is going to be the following as well. Yes, NVIDIA, I'm watching as well, Tara. I'm just, you know what? I just try to prioritize for the stocks which are actually a little bit looking better looking on the daily chart. And on NVIDIA, why I can't open NVIDIA? Okay. So NVIDIA at the moment, it's very nice and higher. But my problem is still these levels, and it's still not out of the woods and breaking this level on the $84 areas. I would like to see that to really break that area first of all, indeed. Let's see what we can do with that. And it's not that strong at the moment. It's just 0.22%. I don't know why. Microsoft is back to red. I don't know. Let's just check it. Okay, traders, just a second. We are just going to start soon. We'll be back in a sec. Chewy. Oh, I have not traded this stock for a while. I'm just checking soon. Just a second, traders. Chewy, you mentioned. I'm just checking it. Chewy, CHWY. Nice, 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 nice. Huh. Looks interesting. Tara, that looks interesting. Yeah, we can watch Chewy. We can watch Chewy. Okay. Circle. Yeah, it's CRWV is moving. Maybe Circle is moving as well. Let me just check it. CRCL we need. Thank you, Mr. Brackage. Oh, nice. That looks like as a great continuation, actually. I like it. It's coming up from the bottom. Definitely. Very nice, and it has a lot to go to. CRWV I like as well. Circle doesn't look bad either. Overall market so far, traders, it is moving. But again, it's going to be quite fragile. Regarding the economic news, we will get some numbers at 9:45, which is going to be the final services PMI, and ISM services PMI 10 o'clock, plus beige book as well. So let's just check too. BMNR, yes, it's on our list as well. However, I prefer coin and the other a little bit better. Okay, traders, let's just check the great moves here. We are open already. Just a second, I will be back. Nice move. All right. However, I'm expecting some craziness first. That means that we need to be sure that the direction is okay. MSTR looks very good. Just checking something here, traders, and I am with you. Okay, nice. So far, we are starting with a bull flag, traders. That looks quite good. MSTR, I would take it rather only over the high, like 146, or just a half share size over 145 Buzak. But yeah, I see what you mean. Coin is very strong. AMD, beautiful. Tesla, wow. Hood, I like Hood as well, traders. Ooh, mRNA, what a pullback. All right, MSTR 8% higher. I'm wondering whether SPY can break the 683 because the triple Q already breaking, traders. But lots of stocks are getting to red. Google, Microsoft, Apple just slightly green. Coin incredible strong. But again, watch Bitcoin as well. I'm still going to watch Bitcoin as well. mRNA is not doing anything, so I'm just going to leave it alone at the moment. Maybe it's going to be good for a reversal. Look at the NVDA bounce. Very nice, Tara. Beautiful on NVDA. Good, good, good. Okay, I'm watching AMD over the high, traders. AMD looks like a very great second trade after the NVDA for me, but only over this 193.70s level. Took them good, good, good. So I think that NVDA or the AMD over the high can be good. AVGO, it's very nervous, unfortunately. MU pulling back. Microsoft quite strong as well. So keeping an eye on AMD over the high. Microsoft looking quite strong, but there is this 20 EMA on the daily. Oh. This is what I was afraid of. This is what I'm afraid of. Hands off. Hands off. Look at the market, guys. Ah, ugly, 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 ugly. And they can do it because we have such a fragile situation that every crazy move like that, it's a load. Oh my God. Okay, PLTR. No, I was afraid of PLTR, but it's on the 200 EMA now. Applied material strong. Weak stocks are Unity, by the way. Unity is down 1.50%. Doesn't look like it wants to continue. Baba is quite weak as well. Traders, SPY, huge red candle and continues lower. Be careful. Yes, I see coin, MSTR going down. AMD is still holding and Tesla still holding. Hood is still holding as well. So these stocks I'm going to watch. What a crazy move here on the market. Amazing. INF moving higher. GTLB we can watch for gap and go maybe. Yes, PLTR is strong. You see, I was just really a bit, let's call it like, not that happy for this PLTR because of the daily, and it's moving quite nicely. It's interesting, actually. Yes, PLTR, I'm going to watch it. Traders, though, after this nice gap up, market is giving up, especially the SPY, and more stocks are getting to the red side, like PepsiCo, Apple, Disney, Google, CRM, VMT, WMT, Nike, JP Morgan, XOM are all into the red side. We could not take. NVIDIA is still strong. AMD I still like, but the move on the market, it's a bit concerning for me to take the longs. Meta back to VWAP, checking Meta. Meta looks very nice, Jeremy. I like Meta over the high. We just need the market. I'm going to get Microsoft looks like Meta as well, but Meta daily chart, I like it a bit better. Okay, Hood is still holding, AMD still holding, NVIDIA holding. Microsoft looks very good, just the daily concerns me a little bit because of the levels. We just need the market because now it pulled back, stopped though. Very nervous market we have. Hood is making a nice reversal as well. And now I like your call, Buzak, even better on the MSTR over 145. Just the problem that the Bitcoin, as I've just mentioned, you guys, 72 half. Look at the Bitcoin, 72 half, touched, immediate drop. Amazing. Okay, NVIDIA is pulling back. CRWB big pullback. AVGO doesn't look good anymore. It looks so nice for this reversal. And now the big question, whether this was just a bull trap and we are going to go down, or this is a bear trap. Whew, what a tricky times we have. Google 0.5% lower, guys. Market stopped now, so we are just hopefully going for a direction soon. PLTR still strong. AMD still holding this pattern here too. SNDK. Netflix is moving. Nah, I just put it off the table today, Tara, and it's moving. Amazing, this Netflix is. Maybe I'm going to watch it instead of PLTR. SNDK, not on my list for today. Thank you for that as well, Jeremy. And you want to long 284. Yeah, not bad. Just so far, market sentiment does not support us. PLTR is very strong. Pieta very strong. Tesla is back to the VWAP and the $400 level as well. So if we see a reversal higher, I'm going to still keep an eye on AMD over the high, Tesla maybe for a reversal here, MSTR 145, Netflix. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Maybe on a pullback we can just grab it, Tara, hopefully. BMNR checking. BMNR 2105, half share size or full shares. I would take only half share size because it's just bumped into the 20 EMA on the daily, actually. But SPY continues lower, traders. Something is not okay here. Bitcoin, though, it's tabbed on the 200 EMA as I see. Or the 100. Oh yeah, it's inside 100. Phew, PLTR does not care about the market. Okay, guys, I'm still sitting on my hands. It's okay. 100 will be K for the, yeah, definitely. Definitely, Tara. But actually, you know what? I'm watching. There was no chance to enter this trade. It's just going higher and higher. That's it. Guys, this market looks very tricky. No idea why we are pushing lower again. I'm just checking some stocks to the short, but even for the long, and I still like AMD, I still like Tesla, I still like Hood. Bitcoin has not broken this consolidation there. So I'm going to take 193.70 AMD, 193.70 AMD, over 193.70 on the AMD. This is going to be a trade here. Maybe Geo not doing too much. So my entry is going to be 193 and 72. Stop loss is going to be under 192 and 20 on the AMD. If we can go higher. If not, it's okay. Now everything is pulling back. Let me just check my favorite TQQQ. But the oh, how I have, oh, it was a mistake, sure. It's good that I just checked it. By mistake, I just entered with a small share size. Okay. Now go out. Okay, it's out. Small winner by accident. Okay, Roblox is getting strong too. Let me just check Roblox maybe instead of coin. So AMD. So no entry on the AMD. Hood is holding though. PLTR gave up. AMD giving up as well. Let's just leave it alone then. So far, no real continuation on the market, and even Bitcoin starting to go lower now. Okay, let's look for some shorts now then. I mean, really on weak stocks. However, again, the triple Q is still doesn't seem like it wants to give up. Nice NVDA back to the VWAP as well. Tesla back to the VWAP. 401 can be a nice VWAP reversal on the Tesla. Hood is still holding, but the Bitcoin, 72, it's under 72. It needs to make this reversal here. Oh, GTLB, I missed the reversal there. Yeah, Jeremy, I've just seen it as well. It's too late for me. 24 was nice, but for me, it's too late now. It's GTLB. Netflix, Tara, look at this Netflix. It really wants to go for touching this 100. Maybe it's good for a quick partial or scalp. Let's just leave it. Feel like let's just trade something kind of a feeling, you know. Yeah, AMD, I still like it. However, stop loss under 192. Jules, nice to see you. Nice green day. Already going to be greedy with my green. Nice. Very nice. Sorry. Short day for you. Well done. I'm just sitting here, right? Crazy market. Excuse me, guys. So, and in the meantime, the market is still bear flagging. We are bear flagging. Unbelievable. Now let's see, gap fill has happened on the SPY, triple Q not yet. I still like AMD. I still like Tesla. If we can see a reversal, how about mRNA? Let's check mRNA as well, traders. mRNA, I'm going to check it. Meta, oh, that's ugly now. That is just being smart. Yes, Todd, I agree with you. That's a smart choice from Jules. MU 2.30, nothing. I'm looking for shorts, but what to short here? XOM, GPM, Baba. Look at that crazy sudden changes again on this market. I don't like it too much. Netflix, wow. Jeremy, your GTL be looking better now. It's just pushed over the VWAP. If it gets another rejection, I am with you on the short, actually. SPY breaking lower, traders. Triple Q is still hesitating. I still love my AMD. Yes, Tara, I'm checking TQQQ as well. I'm just, you know what? I'm just not sure in this market, but TQQQ can be maybe under 48.50, 48.50 for a short. Unity, it's very weak. Yeah, I've seen it, Mr. Brackage. It's very weak. It was really weak, but on the daily, I would rather look for a continuation higher for the reversal because it's so extended. Guys, AMD is getting close. 72 is my entry. I have not entered yet. And you know what? This Unity, if the things are changing, I'm going to watch this Unity for a possible reversal. I did enter AMD. I feel like traders, we need to be quick and efficient today. Means I'm scalping. So let's see how it's going to move over 194. Here comes Tesla. I like Tesla reversal, but only over 401, TSLA, 401. Lower share size. I just do not trust that market. Oh, come on, AMD. Beautiful. Okay. Let's see 195. Let's see 195 here. AVGO is moving. Oh, nice. NVDA. I missed the partial there, or the reversal. Google is getting close to the highs too. Very nice. Here comes AMD. Stop loss under 192.40. Let's go for a dollar. Here we are. Okay, traders, on the AMD, I'm going to be ready to take a small partial here around 195. Beautiful. I'm taking 75% of my share size here on 195.20. Beautiful trade. First partial done. Thank you, AMD. I'm going to put my stop loss under the entry, and nice reversal on the market as well. Ooh, Roblox. We cannot win them all, right? 401 on the Tesla soon. 40110 is going to be my entry on the Tesla if it can go there at all. Stop loss on the Tesla under 399, at least at the moment. Maybe, oh, oof, that's crazy. Traders, be extra super duper careful with this market today, please. Look at that crazy moves there. AMD, I'm really happy for my first winner. Unity, let me just check Unity here again. Very nice pullback though. Sorry, traders, I just get something. It's so cold today. Getting back soon. Okay. Unity. No, you see, Mr. Brackage, I was ready to take this nice move here. We still can enter over 2010. Tesla not doing anything. SPY triple Q on the VWAP. Tesla continues lower. That's not good. NVDA VWAP reversal was perfect. Just missed it. Okay, nice attempt for a reversal on the market. Let's see whether it really can do it. Coin consolidation, checking coin, hood not doing too much either. So coin consolidation, yep, not bad. Maybe over this 250. Let's see. SPY, triple Q, trying really hard to push higher now. Nice comeback. I still like this Tesla. So. Not my ultimate favorite. Let me just check. Amazon is breaking. As I see. 183 on the NVDA. How about Google? Meta. Now, come on, AMD. Please just push towards to this $200. That would be nice. Meta, not nice. Microsoft, checking. Nothing on the Microsoft. Okay, mRNA, I'm going to check. Looks like Bitcoin, it's reversing as well. So I think, oh, I missed the coin. Jeremy, this coin looks like as a very nice reversal. Even the Bitcoin is reversing, but you know what? I'm going to wait for a small consolidation again to join the trade here. 194, Yeah, my stop loss is under 193.79 on the AMD. Market is still uncertain and very ugly. We got some news at 9:45. I think might it's just helped a little bit. And this was the ISM services PMI 10 o'clock. Final services PMI and ISM services PMI are coming at 10 o'clock. By the way, the final one, it was not the best news there. Okay, Roblox breaking out, MSTR breaking higher. I missed the coin. And I'm just thinking to take this Unity here, traders, especially over 2010. Unity, I'm going to take it 2010, Mr. Brackage, actually. Which one? CRWD, checking CRWD. And I'm again getting back to MSTR 145 level. Yeah, it's all over the place for me a little bit, Buzak, but yeah, I agree if it's breaking this 383, something like that, or 4. I don't know, let's just leave it. MSTR traders, I'm going to take it over 145, but lower share size because the stop loss is quite big. Stop loss is quite big. Stop loss on the unit, it's under 1970. Here comes MSTR, but just with a lower share size here. Because stop loss, it's at least under 143, like a $2 stop loss. Now let's see if we can break this. 145, it's getting close. SPY triple Q pushing higher, nice. NVIDIA nice, AMD nice. Oops, just got in a little bit earlier. SMCI stronger. Okay, AMD, go, go, go. We need to break 195, please. Oh, that coin was really nice. I hope we are in MSTR traders. MSTR. On the MSTR, I want to see like a 147 for a partial there. And we have one more in Unity. On the Unity, I'm going for a 20 cents. 20 cents on the Unity. Come on, MSTR, do the job, make the move. Oh, Tara, Netflix just made the reversal. I just missed it. Guys, I'm canceling Tesla. I don't like Tesla anymore. Cancel Tesla. Not the best. So first, nice winner, AMD still in, partial done and pushing higher. MSTR though, it's a bit stubbed, but 145 hopefully is going to be a very nice support there. Bitcoin itself, as I see, it's back over this 71.7, which is still not the best. We need to break 72K. Tesla not doing anything at all. How about mRNA? Anything on your list, traders, please just let us know in the chat. mRNA, nothing. BMNR, yes. Just checking because now the Bitcoin stocks are moving really nicely, Jeremy. Over 21. Not bad. I just, on the daily, look at the daily. This is my only fear on BMNR, but you are right because the sentiment is getting again stronger on the Bitcoin, then this is not going to be a problem for the BMNR, but there is the 20 EMA. And it's just stopped there and stuck there a little bit. Oh, come on, MSTR. Good, I took it with a lower share size. Traders, Unity, fantastico. I'm just taking my 30 cents here. Oh, beautiful. Thank you, Mr. Brackage, to raise this Unity. I'm just going to take 75% of my share size here. 20, 35, 20, 40. Fantastic. I just took it and my stop loss is going to be just slightly under the entry because this can go actually back to this $22 level. Hood, checking hood. Maybe instead of Roblox because I missed it. Oh yeah, I missed that one. No trades. No problem, traders. Okay. you. All right, guys, so Unity, very nice winner. AMD still running, but this MSTR, it's getting a bit naughty here. I'm still going to leave a little space because I have a low share size in this one. As I've told you, it's higher, crazy stock. No, let's just name it. It's a crazy stock. So it's never a full share size. Oh, AMD is out. And craziness continues, guys, on the market. Big red candle coming. Watch out. NVDA back to the VWAP immediately as I see. How about Unity? Unity still looks fantastic. Unity still looks fantastic. I think I'm not going to take any other partial just before 21 on the Unity. Coin is bull flagging. Come on, MSTR, do your job. MBIS, checking. NBIS. Ooh, that was a strong one. Yeah, you're right, Jeremy. I did not take it. Guys, 4 minutes till the news. I don't know whether it's going to impact at all the market, but we will get news in like 4 minutes. Ooh, coin. Come on, MSTR. Coin is moving, you're not moving. No, that's not good. Go, go, go. Can't believe this stock. And it looks much more, oversold than the coin and does not care. Just moving lower now. Okay, SPY though, which is not the best for the longs, and that it just stopped by the VWAP, and that's it. Could not break the VWAP. However, the triple Q is really, really nice and strong because it's over the VWAP. MSTR gives me a little hard times here. Unit is still beautiful. In 40 minutes, I'm going, minutes? Hopefully not in 40 minutes, but just 40 cents soon. I'm going to take the second partial on this beautiful Unity. AMD is out, but making a reversal. Come on, back over the VWAP MSTR. It's not funny. You are not going. NVDA under the VWAP. This AVGO looks like, I don't know, it really wants to go higher. Like AVGO, daily chart, oh, come on, MSTR. Looks so nice. The same like the AMD for the reversal. Look at this. I'm still thinking on that. You still like mRNA? Yeah, it's a very nice triangle, Jeremy. I must tell you, especially over this 53, 55-ish. Looks quite good. Looks quite good. Okay, guys, so far I have only Unity, which is going nicely, and waiting MSTR reversal over the VWAP. Watching mRNA looks really good, as Jeremy told, but only for me 50-55. SPY triple Q a little bit stuck, but we will get some news soon. Like this soon is 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. Tesla now, Abu, what do you think? 398, maybe bottoming. I don't know. Let's be careful with this Tesla. It can be cruel. Let me just check the daily chart now. How does it look like? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you are right. Maybe there will be a mini reversal there, but you know what? I'm going to take it only if it goes over the VWAP. I do not trust Tesla too much today. NVDA is coming back though. Why are you coming back, NVDA? And let's see MU. MU another short. Good luck with the mRNA, Jeremy, if you took it. A bit. We are not the best friends with mRNA, to tell the truth. Oops, I forgot to close my Tesla long. CVI. CVR energy. Come on, MSTR. This is it. This is what I want to see. CVI. What's that? It's very low volume. No, it's not my type of stock. Oh, news, 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 news. And MSTR is moving, but that's not enough. Go like $1. I'm going to be okay with $1. Oh, AMD. Okay, Abu, nice call on the Tesla too. Definitely the news helping now as well. I knew AVGO is going to do that. Shoo, it was just so slow. All right, traders, we are pushing higher, and I guess this is the news. Should be. Just checking. Oh, come on, MSTR. Coin is going higher, and this is just popping everywhere. So, such an annoying stock. Okay, let me just check it. Oh yeah, ISM services PMI actually much better than expected. Much, much better than expected. Well done. And triple Q is breaking the highs. I can't believe this MSTR. Go higher, please. Hood is getting close to the highs as well. If you're still holding AMD, well done. I don't know why I was out. I think I was not putting my stop loss on the right place. Yeah, should have given at least the previous high of the day, like 193.60, something like this. I left some money on the table. Shoot. Oh, very nice reversal on the Tesla. I'm still waiting on the MSTR traders. Unity slowed down a little bit, and AVG, I knew it's going to do it, but I was not really going for it, unfortunately. Coin 12% higher, amazing. Hood 8.4% higher, still pushing. mRNA, it's mRNA is mRNA. How about PLTR? Broke the highs. Amazon. Oh, that was nice too. Roblox. Nothing. Okay, traders. So now the market, it needs to do a bull flag and continue. Definitely. And might I'm going to get back to my Tesla over 401. Let's see whether it's going to make a nice consolidation there. Okay, what is still weak? XOM is still weak. Market looking much stronger now. Come on, MSTR, break that high, please. It needs to break 145.60 at the moment, at least. Good luck with BMNR, Jeremy. Over this 21, right? Yeah, I'm just checking the Bitcoin in the meantime. How is it moving? Still, yeah, getting back to this 72,000. But as I told you, 72,000 is still very strong there. Still very strong, fortunately. Okay. What a crazy price action on this market, guys. I just can't believe what I see. Big red, big green, crazy moves. Be extremely careful, guys, okay? So far I'm in green. I'm not really happy with this MSTR. I really do not want to see it to break the VWAP again, to tell the truth. Well, no, I don't like it. Now let's see. mRNA 5370 looks a bit better, to tell the truth, Buzak. I'm just a bit worried about mRNA because of the volume is not the best. mRNA, don't do that. Not mRNA, sorry, MSTR. Coin is coming back. Tesla, I'm still thinking on Tesla. Netflix, not too much. Okay, hood is looking like as a possible breakout as well, but the market is really, really hectic and crazy today, guys. Look at that. Big green, big red, and actually, to tell the truth, not a clear direction because as you can see, we gapped up very nicely, get down, fill the gap, and now it's hovering in the middle on the SPY. Mm, Now let's just check all of the stocks here on my watch list and find something nice. XOM pulling back, J&J. J&J is weak today, BABA 1.26, but I can't see any entry. Ah, I think I am out on Unity. Yes, Unity is out, traders. And unfortunately, this MSTR still not doing anything. No problem. I'm just checking the stocks here. JP Morgan looks interesting, but no clear setup at least. Nike, Apple 0.50% lower. CRM 0.39. CRM, what's the volume here? Low volume. Disney. Okay, triple Q getting to the highs again. Come on, MSTR. I'm checking this Netflix here as well, but the volume just decreased. And you know what can be another problem there as well, traders? As I mentioned you, it's beige book day. Usually at the beige book day, it's not that hard as the FOMC meeting minutes day or especially the federal funds rate decision days because days are always in the afternoon. But sometimes I've just seen before as well that the volume is dropping towards to this 2 p.m. Maybe this is going to happen now as well, so that's why the market is slowing down a bit. I don't know. Traders, I'm going to get back my entry on the Tesla over 401. Okay, I'm going to get back my entry on this stock. I like it, but lower share size again. I just do not want to lose my nice green day for today. So just a lower share size. Tesla is back. Yeah, very nice, Zuki. I'm so happy you just stayed in this trade. Beautiful. Finally, your MSTR is green as well. SPY triple Q pushing higher. Coin broke. Hood looks like a break. NVIDIA is back too. Look at NVIDIA, guys. 182 looks like as an interesting entry, especially if we do continue higher here. Oh, nice breakout on the coin. And finally my MSTR, but this is still not enough. High is 145.80, but I want to see 147. Yes, okay. Thank you for, for the cheering up for the stocks. All right, I'm in Tesla too, and finally mRNA is going. Buzak, nice call. Jeremy, nice call on the mRNA. On the Tesla, I'm not going to be greedy. I'm okay with the dollar. SPY getting to the close to the highs. Triple Q broke the high of the day already. How about the Bitcoin? Still has not broken the 72K. No, market 683 on the SPY. 608, I think, on the triple Q. In order to continue higher, we need to break these levels. Okay, guys, watch out. $1.50, unfortunately, still to go on MSTR. Tesla, though, it's going, and 402, I'm going to take a partial just before 402. Come on, market, help. Help, help, help. Hood might ready to break. Let's see. Mm. Google. Yes, it's just going sideways. But yeah, maybe if it's breaking the 304 TSM checking. Oh, beautiful, nice intraday breakout, Jeremy. We just need some more, a little bit more support. And the volume is quite weak though on the TSM, but as a setup looks perfect. Just the volume, which is a bit problematic here indeed. DQQQ breaking out, SPY triple Q trying to break. Tesla. You really need to see a big green candle. If not, I'm not going to risk my money on the Tesla. Should have been on the 402 already, and it's just hovering around this 401, not the best. MSTR still looks good, but this Tesla, I'm not sure I want to stay in if it cannot start immediately to go higher now. SPY triple Q stopped, not good. SPY triple Q stopped. The hood wants to break higher. And the craziness starts with the big red candle again. mRNA still looks fantastic. It's just moving over $54 level. And yeah, this is what I was afraid of, Tesla and the market. Still okay, but the last chance for the Tesla. MSTR still holding to the highs. That's a good one. MU looking interesting as well. Yes, Tara, all day like that. It's so ugly. It's just so ugly. Now they pushed it back. Look at that, and they just dragging it down again. Oh, mRNA, fantastic, guys. Very nice call on the mRNA. Well done. MSTR, I really want to see 145 acting like a strong support now. Tesla is trying it again. And I'm ready to take a partial on the Tesla soon, traders. This is just like kind of a lunch money for me, but it's okay. 80% I'm going to take off on Tesla. I just do not trust this stock too much. And the market is still bull flagging. AVGO, nice. MSTR not doing too much again. Oh, Tesla, really? That's not good. Got rejected again. Nah, SPY, triple Q finally breaking out. Come on, Tesla, go with it. MSTR, go with it. Bitcoin over 72. That's why we just broke again. I'm not really patient with this Tesla now. Last chance for the Tesla to go. If it's not going, I'm taking this 50 cents, guys. Really, I just don't like to see what it is doing. 60? It cannot break 60. Come on, dude. You are such a big mover. No? No. Look at that. Okay, Tesla, I'm taking on Tesla traders. This 40, 30 cents. I don't care. I just do not like what it is doing now. Took a very small partial. Stop loss under 401. I don't like it. MSTR I still trust, but Tesla not really. I took like how much was it? Not even 50. I don't care. Lunch money, as I've told you, lunch money. Dinner money, because it's dinner in Spain, and I'm out of Tesla. That was a very mini scalp. I don't care. It's just suffering all over the place. Volume is not very good. I don't like it. Now, MSTR, though, it's back to the entry. Not the best. SPY triple Q, again, big rejection. Question whether the Bitcoin is able to stay over the 72K now. NVDA double top on 183. That's interesting as well. Oh, come on, come on. Market. And especially MSTR. I do not get why MSTR is not moving, actually. Look at the daily chart of this. Such a tiny, small green candle until the Bitcoin is just jumping like crazy. Yeah, okay, Zuki, I don't care. I was not patient. I did not like how it is moving. I'm okay. If you are still in, finally it's moving, but it's Tesla. You know what's the problem? That it can do the same direction to the downside. So I was really, really nervous with this trade actually. It did the move. I hope you are in still. I know. This is Tesla. That's for sure. MU is jumping as well, traders. AVGO on the highs, 320. SPY triple Q trying to stay on the top, or MSTR is back to the entry. You stayed. Very good. Well done. At least it was a good call, right? Even if I did not manage the best, it's okay. 80, 10, it sounds really? Oh no, I see what you mean. Oh my goodness. And then rip. Maybe, stop loss under a round number, it's always better. I can't believe you, Tesla. Okay, I'm not going to watch Tesla. What to watch? What to watch? SLV. SLV, I'm going to watch it. 1 cent, I know. It can be so annoying. For me, it was just 2 minutes to wait. Now, come on, MSTR, at least do the job. You should do the job at least. Come on. Now let's see my field orders here, how we are doing for the day. I never check my results just at the end of the day, usually. Ah, nice, $750. That's good. Now let's see whether we can add a little bit more with this MSTR now. Mm. Okay, traders, SPY triple Q surprisingly strong. We do continue nicely. Coin continues. AMD fantastic since the opening actually. AVGO still looks very strong as well. But this MSTR is starting to test my patience again. It's not doing anything, Nitsan, at all. It's just hovering around. Might we are going to see the same as on the Tesla? I don't know, but at the moment, it really needs to do this change, at least to break this 140, 145, 146 now. You are adding. Okay, Buzak. Good luck with that. I'm just waiting for the first partial finally. Ah, nice. SPY triple Q still pushing higher, traders. My last trade is MSTR, and I'm not going to take any more, I think. It was like a quite of a nice green day. I hope for you too. Very nice calls from your side as always. I know, Buzak, it should, right? It's time. PLTR checking. And yeah, slowly we will get there, Buzak, I think, with this MSTR, but not easy. PLTR, 50 EMA. So how? Look at the daily. It's just bumped into the 50 EMA. I don't know. It's a big red flag for no, once more. It's a big red flag for me. Oh, Jeremy, yeah, you know what? I'm always afraid a bit of this crazy mover. But yeah, you were right, especially as the market changed the direction and going higher. Very nice call on this SNDK. Well done. Hmm. Traders, this MSTR is really struggling here. SPY triple Q pushing higher, coin breaking higher, everything is breaking higher, but I would say no one is buying yet, at least this MSTR, which is not the best to see, but what can we do? Let's see this 146. Yes, Buzak, I really hope so. But it's not a really enthusiastic mover so far today. AVGO was better, actually. Now 146. Slowly we get there. Which one? Circle and CRWA, completely forgot them. Circle is not doing anything, Nitsan. It's just completely stuck, unfortunately. GTLB checking, CRWV so. GTLB. Oh, that looks like as a nice short, actually, Charlie. Maybe 24 or below the VWAP. Let's see. Okay, guys, I just get enough from this MSTR. Just getting rejections all the time. I feel like I'm going to take a small partial here on 70 cents, like a 70% of the share size. I just do not trust this stock anymore. If it's still moving. If not. Stop loss definitely under this last little two candles and let it run. So I made a quick partial on this stock. It's just not moving that good as the coin or the rest of the Bitcoin stocks. And the Bitcoin, though, it's still quite good. Like, look at the Bitcoin. It's just broke. Ah, no, just got a rejection again, 72,400. Tesla, I'm not watching Tesla anymore. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to check it just for you. I hope you are still in. Oh, wow. Okay. Beautiful. Did you, Mr. Brackage? Yeah, me too. I just 70%. I did partial. I still give the chance. Stop loss under 145, but I felt like I'm not going to sit here an extra 2 hours to wait whether it's going to go or not. Feel like it doesn't make any sense, unfortunately. Did you? Okay. Good luck with that, Buzak. SLV is making a quite of a nice reversal. Yes, Jeremy, I feel the same. Like, look at the candles on the SPY, especially on the 1 minute chart. You can see how crazy it is. Like, it looks like as a very ugly price action share indeed. Like, if it would not be even the SPY or the triple Q, a completely different ugly stock. I don't know, so weird. Weird. Okay, traders, I think I'm just going to call it as a day. Exhausting day, Jeremy, but I really enjoyed it to trading with you. Fantastic calls, guys, really, all of you. Very nice calls. And please don't forget, if you are interested in our TEFS one-step challenges and funded account packages with fantastic education, private mentoring, and a lot more, please just check out our website. And if you have any questions, please just write me an email at agi@tefs.com. I'm more than happy to help you. RC18, it's unchecking. RC80. Looks interesting. However, it gave up a lot today. You know what? I don't know. Maybe if it's making here a consolidation 1450, because I know it got a really good news one day. So I would expect it higher, not lower, definitely. Yeah, if it's making here a consolidation, maybe over 1450, this would be my plan. But I don't know, volume is quite weak today, as I see. We can watch it. Look at Netflix as well, completely stuck. Netflix just completely stuck as well. RCAT doesn't look bad. Okay, what else? You're welcome. Whole market is strong. Yes, I agree. But Buzak, as you can see, is just hesitating a lot on this MSTR. I still give the chance, as I've told you, it's completely okay. All right. What a crazy, crazy price action today. Unbelievable. Have not seen that for a while. This dead cat bounce looks really nice, but I'm wondering whether it's going to last for days at all. Really, really curious what's going to happen next on this market. Okay, traders, I really hope you enjoy today's trading together. Fantastic trading community, the best in the world, I would say. If you like, please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, not especially me, but for you as the trading community and the fantastic team who is behind the scenes making it come through every day, that we can be here and talk and trade to each other. Beautiful calls, as I've told you. Very proud of you. And just checking AMD 197. Listen, it still has, I would say it still has some space to go. But as the market is getting higher, I'm afraid it's going to stop and make a reversal. 610 can be a quite of a serious resistance for the triple Q on this case. Maybe just for a quick scalp if you want to join over 197. Google checking. Google was not the best mover, but as I've seen, it's just started to break out. It's a bit similar to me for this MSTR, which finally is going, by the way. 305 is there. Not the strongest big tech stock for today on the Google, I think. MSTR, yes, Zuki, it's going. Thank you, Jeremy. You too. MSTR target, as I've told you, 147 first. Actually, might I'm going to take another small partial around 147. Stop loss now on the entry with the MSTR. 147, I'm going to take half of the share size and just let it run. 150, it's my dream number today on the MSTR. Hopefully, we will get it. Market still looks strong, as I've told you, traders, but as higher as it goes, I think there will be some stop and temporary pullback soon. So just watch out and check the Bitcoin as well, because finally the Bitcoin, it broke this 72 half, which I've told you it can be a problematic level. It was, but now it did break, and 74 is going to be next. Okay. Tesla fireworks, good. I did not manage this the best, traders. It's okay. It's okay. We cannot win them all, especially not from the top to the bottom, but I left, oh my God, lots of money on the table. Okay, let's just move on. All right, traders, if you are still in Tesla, I'm happy for you. Here comes the second partial on the MSTR. Stop loss can stay on the entry. I wish you a beautiful rest of your day with your loved ones, with the family, a green day at the end. And watch out because Beige Book is coming at 2 p.m. And of course, I'm going to see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Have a nice day, everyone. Stay safe and see you tomorrow. Bye.